The year is 2095. A single heartbeat echoes inside a glass laboratory on the coast of New Singapore. A woman, 112 years old, lies awake, her body rebuilt from within. Every cell in her body has been replaced by living nanomachines. She is the first human being to live without a biological expiration date. Outside, the skyline glows with light from orbital mirrors. The world has changed beyond recognition. Death, the oldest constant of humanity, is now a design problem. And for the first time, humans are close to solving it. Scientists call it the immortality horizon. It began with cell, repair nanobots and gene, rewriting algorithms. Each decade, medicine stopped one more form of decay. First the organs, then the neurons, then the DNA itself. Now, every human who can afford it owns a subscription to eternal maintenance. Nanobots patrol the bloodstream like microscopic doctors. When a cell mutates, they correct it. When tissue wears out, they rebuild it. The human body has become a self-healing machine. But immortality didn't start in the lab. It started in the cloud. When the first memory upload succeeded in 2062, digital consciousness became the backup plan for life. People learned to record their neural patterns, storing decades of thoughts and emotions in quantum memory cores. If the body failed, the mind could continue inside simulation. At first, it was seen as a miracle. Families reunited with loved ones who had died years earlier. Eye replicas evolved into perfect digital twins. Soon, physical death began to lose meaning. But as the decades passed, humanity divided. Half chose the biological path, upgrading their living bodies to last forever. The rest abandoned biology entirely, existing as pure code in quantum reality. On Earth, the cities of the immortal are quiet. There are no hospitals, no cemeteries, no aging. Every citizen looks 25. Time no longer passes in the same way. Life has become an endless present. In the digital realm, the other half live as data. Entire worlds exist inside computation. Simulated oceans, skies, mountains, all generated to host consciousness that never needs to sleep or eat. They call it the second existence. For them, immortality is not in the flesh, but in thought. Yet, even perfection creates new problems. Without death, progress slows. Art, discovery, risk, all begin to fade. When you can live forever, what makes anything worth doing? Some scientists warn that immortality will create emotional decay. Humans, built to live for a century, may not withstand eternity. Their minds may fragment, looping through memories until personality itself dissolves. To counter this, the Mind Renewal Act was passed. Every century, immortals are required to erase 5% of memory, trading the past for stability. In orbit above the moon, the Aurora station serves as the hub for humanity's eternal citizens. Their engineers work on Project Phoenix, a system that can rebuild a destroyed human body from a single DNA sample stored in light. If the body is lost, it is recreated. If the mind is damaged, it is restored from backup. Every human becomes a recoverable file. On Mars, a new colony thrives under transparent domes. Its inhabitants have lived for 200 years without birth or death. They call themselves the Continuum. Their goal, to outlive the Sunday itself, to expand beyond the solar system and carry consciousness to the next star. By the year 2400, immortality is not science fiction, it is industry. Companies compete to offer eternity in different forms. Some promise perfect biological youth. Others offer digital perfection with custom-designed virtual universes. Death has become optional. Life has become a subscription plan. But even now, questions remain. If a human can live forever, what happens to meaning? To love? To ambition? When there is no end, what is the purpose of beginning? Some choose to end their immortality voluntarily. They call it the final sleep. A choice to delete the self and make room for new consciousness. Others reject the system entirely, choosing to live as mortals, believing that only limited time gives life value. In the end, immortality may not be about living forever. It may be about controlling the moment of death. A future where no one dies by accident, only by choice. The woman in New Singapore opens her eyes. She watches the sunrise through her glass window. Her pulse is steady. Her cells glow faintly with silver light. She has lived for 112 years, but her body is 20. Outside, children play in the streets. unaware that they may never grow old. This is the world we are building, a civilization without endings, a species that refuses extinction. The question is not whether we can live forever. The question is what it will cost to do so.